Tech support is where the magic happens. No one ever calls up and says, "Hey, everything's working great, bye." There's always someone on the other end with the hurdle and with a deadline.
When you're talking to customers all day, you immediately hear like trends. You know what customers are upset about. And our tech support team at Bluebeam takes a lot of pride in advocating for their needs. And so we're not just on the phones all the time. We have team leads that are going into meetings, talking with engineering, explaining like, hey, like we're seeing this, customers at every level experiencing this issue and it needs to get fixed.
If there's not a solution at the time, one of our things is it's okay to not know the answer. It's okay to take a step back, and the time you need to research an issue, bring it up to the right members of the team and actually find a solution.
It's not for the faint of heart, because our customers know how vast Bluebeam Review is, and we're working on even bringing new products to market. There's a lot of different workflows and questions that can arise. So every time you pick up that phone, open that email, you literally have no idea what it's going to be about. And even some folks here who have been here for years, you're still going to see new things because we put out new features.
Been here 5 years, and I was on the front lines when I first started here, so I was on the phones, and we took a lot of pride in our interactions with customers. Got a lot of calls from customers always complimenting us. It felt like it was the white glove experience.
They're looking for an answer. The first thing that I'm going to make sure of is that they feel like I'm engaged. I'm actively listening, writing notes, and keeping track, and just being a proactive listener. I think that's really important to help someone feel like they're being supported properly. Just by listening and then providing different solutions and different steps as you go really helps in the process of finding the ultimate answer.
If you genuinely enjoy helping people and problem solving, it's the best place to be. The people that I get to work with on a daily basis, lifelong friendships have been made where we know we can count on each other, and anybody I reach out to, I know is going to be there to help, and vice versa. And being able to walk by a certain building, in a certain city and be like, oh yeah, I was on a call with somebody, we were talking about that. It's a really good feeling.